Next to March is Mr. Helpful is Lord M. Manlapas, a kinder at his pupil, under Mrs. Vilma E. Hernandez. King Lord was born on September 14, 2018, in the loving care of Mr. and Mrs. Geronimo Manlapas. He believes in the saying, develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping to success. Friends, please welcome Mr. Helpful, King Lord M. Manlapas.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Vivian Caberto, Principal of Getafe Elementary School, and Ma'am Janice Kabatbat,